Hi guys, it's me Ria and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all one skincare mistake that I literally did for months, which actually ruined my skin, and that was not double cleansing my skin in my nighttime skincare routine, because of which I started getting a lot of clogged pores, which eventually led to acne and acne marks as well. And that is why in today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you all the importance of double cleansing your skin and also share with you all the product that I use for double cleansing. So firstly, what exactly is double cleansing? So double cleansing is basically a two-step skincare routine in which there are two different cleansers that are involved to basically clean your face of the dirt, grime and the impurities from your skin. Now, why exactly is double cleansing important? So on a day-to-day basis, we tend to apply so many different layers of skincare products and makeup, and also during the course of the day, there's so much of pollution and dirt all around us that come and sit on our skin, which is very difficult for one cleanser alone to clean thoroughly. So double cleansing basically ensures to deep clean your pores and your skin thoroughly so that no traces of dirt or makeup are left behind. And if your pores are thoroughly clean, then whatever moisturizing products, skincare products you will be applying after the double cleansing will actually help to penetrate deeper into your skin, and they will work in a much more efficient way. So the product that I actually use for double cleansing is this Garnier Micellar Water in the pink variant. Now this has literally become my holy grail product ever since I've started using this. So this is the first step in my double cleansing skincare routine. And this is so effective because of the micelles present in this micellar water that actually act like magnets that helps to attract all of the dirt and the grime and the impurities from your skin in just a single swipe. So this micellar water by Garnier is extremely gentle on your skin. This formula is also free of sulphates and parabens, and it is also fragrance free, which again is a huge plus because I do know a lot of people do not prefer fragrances in their skincare routine, including me. And also this product is suitable for all skin types. It also has a water-like texture and consistency, which helps to clean your skin thoroughly without any sticky or greasy feeling, and also without stripping your skin of its natural oils. So now let me show you how to use the Garnier Micellar Water on a daily basis for double cleansing. So all you have to do is pour, press and swipe. It is as easy and simple as that. So the Garnier Micellar Water is my everyday go-to cleanser because it helps to remove dirt, grime, impurities, sweat, sunscreen as well as makeup from your skin. And then I follow it up by using my favorite face wash for my double cleansing routine. So this travel variant size of this micellar water can be easily carried even while traveling. I always ensure to keep this in my skincare pouch, and I literally take it everywhere wherever I travel. So the Garnier Micellar Water is available in 3 different variants. The first one is this pink variant, which I use for my gentle daily cleansing routine. The second one is this oil infused variant, which is perfect to remove your waterproof makeup, and because it contains oils, it very effectively helps to break down your waterproof makeup quite easily. And the third one is this Garnier Vitamin C Micellar Water, which as the name suggests contains vitamin C as well, which is great for skin brightening as well. So I hope I have covered all of the points about this Garnier Micellar Water. But still, if you have any further questions about this micellar water, then you can also mention it in the comment section below. And like always, I've given the direct link of all of these micellar waters in the description box below. So do check them out. So yeah, that's it for today's video, guys. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, bye-bye.